Binisita na kaninang mga bandang 2:00 ng hapon ng ilang opisyales ng House of Representatives sa pangunguna nga ni House Secretary General Reginald Velasco ang Senado para isagawa ang kanilang ocular inspection bilang paghahanda sa gagawing impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
As I've said, we just want to see kung ano yung offer, and then we will discuss this with the prosecution panel, and then the Secretariat support group will have a meeting. So kung satisfied na, then okay na. But if they are, or if they want additional facilities or rooms, we will communicate with the Secretary.
Sa naging ocular, unang ipinakita ni Senate Secretary Attorney Renato Bantog Jr. ang session hall na siyang magsisilbing impeachment court sa panahon nga na simulan ang paglilitis sa Vice Presidente. Pero paglilinaw niya, hindi pa penal ang setup na ito.
Yung setup as of now, if there will be refinement siguro in terms of camera placements, because we want to maximize the space available for the prosecution and defense panels, and of course the public also. So we're trying to squeeze in as many seats as we can, but given the limitation of space, we can only do so much.
Ayon kay Bantog, posibleng nasa 300 o mas mababa pa ang pupwedeng kumasya sa loob nito. Pero sa kabila nga nito ay tiniyak naman niya na hati nila ng maayos ang bilang para sa defense team, prosecutor at sa publiko.
We're very happy that our request today was accommodated by the House of the Senate, and this is just the beginning of our close coordination and cooperation. I think we are one in this mission, no? To see to it that there will be a fair and just trial.
Maaalala, ayon nga sa proposed calendar na inilabas ng opisina ni Senate President Cheese Escudero, ay sa July 30 ikakasa ang impeachment trial laban sa Vice Presidente. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Anfortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music News Authority.